open? Yeah? Why don't you go shut it? Yeah, the gate. I know the gate's open. Go shut it. Yeah. Close it.
Good job. Can you come give Daddy a high five? Good job. Caleb.
Bye.
Caleb.
Where are you going?
Caleb, where's your foot? Where does your sock go?
Yeah? Yeah, you did shut that gate, didn't you? Still talking about that? Yeah? Yeah, that gate right there. That's the one you shut, isn't it?
Yay!
Be careful. Is that lawnmower? Yeah.
Caleb, where are the shoes? Where are the shoes? Where do they go? Nope, still the gate.
Yeah, that's the gate, buddy, but where do the shoes go?
Where do we put our shoes? Good job. Good job. Yeah.
Yeah, and then you put them on your feet. Whoa, good catch.
Caleb, are you stinky? Do you have pee-pee pants?
Yeah, get a diaper?
Do you have pee-pee pants, Caleb? You gonna go get us a diaper? Okay. Okay. Go get it.